Everyone knows Kodak for a legendary film cameras, and this is Kodak Charmera. Hey everyone, I'm Gwen, and today we're gonna be finding out if Kodak still makes magic or this is just a nostalgia in a mystery box. So let's not waste time, let's get straight into the unboxing. Wow, this is actually my first time seeing this, and I don't know what's inside. So actually I bought this in Amazon and it was delivered directly from the US, if you can see here. So it took around 1 week before I received the item, and here it is, guys. Wow. So this is the Kodak Charmera. So it comes in a mystery box, so I don't know what's inside, what color inside. I guess the camera itself comes in 6 different design. So let's open it. Wow. And surprise, what color that I got? I got the white one, guys. This is the white one. See, I have here USB charger, of course the keychain. It's gonna be put here, and I got this. See, and let's pretend we are reading this one, and the quick start guide. So guys, this is the camera. I got the white one. Camera is very simple, guys. So you've got 2 buttons here at the top of the camera, and below you've got the USB charging input and the micro USB slot, and on the front you've got this lens here, and there is a viewfinder here, but directly you can see directly through it. And on the back you've got this very little screen and 3 buttons here. So let's try to put this micro SD card. Okay, micro SD is inside now. So let's try to turn on the camera. So this turns on, guys. See the screen. So now that we have finally unboxed this, it's time to test this little camera in the real world. So let's find out what can it actually do. I'm just so excited to test this camera, guys. See? The Kodak Charmera has a 1.6 megapixel sensor, capturing photos at roughly 1440 by 1080 resolution with a fixed 35mm lens. No settings, no menus, you just point and shoot. The results are very low in terms of resolution, and it's not perfect, but that's exactly what makes them so fun. Built-in retro filters like red, yellow, and blue, frames, and even a date stamp give every photo that classic old-school digital camera vibe. So now let's talk about the pros and cons on this camera. So for me, the pros is that this camera is Easy to use, very straightforward. It's lightweight and portable, simple, minimalist. It's affordable, guys. Though it comes in a mystery box and you don't know what's inside the box, but you'll be surprised when you open it. This is Kodak. You know Kodak. The branding itself is very reliable. No need to question it. So now, what about the cons? This camera is very limited. So it has no advanced manual settings, manual controls. As I said, this is small, and of course this camera is not for professional use. This is just something for fun, a collection, a toy. So is the Kodak Charmera really worth it? So if you're a beginner or just a casual user, or just simply you just want a camera, maybe this is for you. Yes, absolutely this is for you. But if you are someone who is a serious content creator or a photographer, maybe you'll need something more advanced in controls, more advanced in settings. Probably you want more advanced camera. So all in all, this camera is just a toy camera, a labubu for photographers, I guess. But this one can give you a sort of satisfaction if you have this. So if this video helped you out, guys, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section if you will probably buy this Kodak Charmera. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye!